Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M13, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and locate the toggle for it. So for me, it looks like it's on the second page, right over here. Now once you find your toggle, you want to hold it the first time around. This will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize it. So you can quickly glance over all the settings right here, but the most important ones would be if you're planning to use a schedule, then you can set up the schedule and make sure you enable it from here if you're planning to use it. And that's basically all you need to do for the schedule. And then all the other settings right here. So we have exceptions for calls, messages, conversations, alarm sounds, apps, and notifications. So choose what settings you want to have applied to it, or exceptions when your Do Not Disturb mode is active. Once you went through the settings, you can close this, and if you went with the schedule mode, then just make sure that the schedule is enabled, and that's it. But if you're planning to enable it manually, then find the toggle, click on it, and there we go, it is now running. So there should be, there we go, a little icon right here to signify that it is running right now. So once you're done with it, all you would need to do is find the toggle once again, tap on it once more, and this would turn it off. So that is how you can set up and use your Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.